Thanks for watching WindowCleaner.com.
Hey guys, Window Joe here, and in this video, we're gonna go over the top 5 ways to speed up your route work. Number 5. So number 5, I would say, is to minimize chit chat. If somebody comes up and is interested in your services, yes, of course, pay attention to that. But you wanna get in, you wanna get the job done, you wanna get out. Your clients want you to do the job. They want you to get out of the way. So make it a point to get in, get the job done, and get out. Any small talk, if you hand out a business card, let them know, give me a call. We could come take a look at it. We could come give you your estimate, and that's it. Smile, get back to work. Number 4 is technique. Always work on your technique. Whether it's increasing your speed, learning the two-handed motion, learning how to use the swivel tools for your pole work, technique will be so crucial to you cutting down on time at the locations on your route work. So work on your technique. Always try to be quicker. Always try to make it more efficient, but keeping the top quality of work at the same time. Number 3, becoming familiar with your belt setup. I keep my belt the same for residential and commercial, so I become very, very familiar where everything is on my belt. My ledge squeegee, my towels, my soaps, my scrubber, my squeegee, my BOAB, everything. I know where it is, so without even having to think, my muscle memory will be able to grab whatever I need whenever I need it. So become very familiar with your belt setup, and that will cut down on time on jobs. Number 2, observe the location. Now, this isn't going to be the same every single time because different locations are busier at different times of the day. So when you pull up to the job, if there's nobody on the inside, I would get the inside done first, just so you're out of everybody's way. If you pull up to the job and there's a lot of people on the inside, get started on the outside and then work your way in. Always look to save some time and always be working. Sometimes you're gonna have to wait around, but always do what you can to get the job done. And quicker. Number 1, the most important thing I feel in speeding up your route work is making sure you have everything when you leave the van or the truck or the car that you're working out of. So that means all of your equipment, everything on the belt, your poles, even down to the receipt that you're leaving the client. Make sure you don't have to make any unnecessary trips back to that truck, because that's just adding that couple of more seconds or minutes onto that job. You want to make sure that you have everything in your possession so you could go in, get the job done, hand in the receipt, get paid, come back, unload your stuff, and hit the road again. So that's my top 5 ways to increase the speed of your route work. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload my videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.